Hey guys, I want to go ahead and talk about a little bit about these transformations with kind of like non-functions or something that you're not used to seeing. And what I tell students, the first thing you want to do is they give you the original function, right? We're going to have to transform it. They want us to graph the new transformation. Make a table, make it easy for yourself. So this is what I did. This is the graph. I got my table, my x and y. Now, the one thing you gotta remember is f of x represents the y values, okay? So this guy right here, those are your y values. So all I'm doing is telling me -2 times the y value and then add 5. So that's what I'm gonna do here. So I'm gonna use my original, okay, my original table. So here's my y, so -2 times 2, okay, and then plus 5. Well, that's -4 plus 1, -4 plus 5. Well, that's 1. So the new point is going to be -3, comma 1. Okay? All right. What about the next one? -5. Remember, the y value. What's the y value? 0. Okay? So -2 times 0 plus 5. Okay? Well, -2 times 0 was 0 plus 5. Well, that's 5. So my new point, okay, when x equals -5 is going to be +5. Remember, I'm multiplying the y values. The next one, okay, -2 times the y value. -2 times 2, again, -4. -4 plus 5, same thing. We're going to get a 1. So the next point, 0, comma, 1. The next one, 2 comma 0, same thing as this guy. What's the y value? 0. -2 times 0 is 0 plus 5 is just 5. So we're going to have -2 times 0 plus 5. The new point is 2 comma 5. Okay. Lastly, the next one, y value of -4. -2 times -4 plus 5. So -2 times -4 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. So when x is 6, the new point is going to be at 13. Okay? And now all you want to do is sketch this right here. Okay? And it'll give you the new transformation. So -3 comma 1. Let's see if we can do this real quick. -3 comma 1 right there. -5, 5. -5. 3, 4 somewhere up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up here. Okay, and then 0 comma 1, 0 comma 1 right there. 2 comma 5, 2 comma 5 is right over here. Okay, 6 comma 13, 6 over here, 13 is way up here somewhere. Okay, and this you can kind of tell something that looks like this, and way shoots up, probably shoots up there somewhere. But you can see how it's a little bit more narrow and it's flipped. Why? Because of the negative. But it's easy if you just use your original, okay, make a table. This is your y value, and then go from there. All right, let's do one more. Let's do f of 0.5x minus 1. Now, use your original, okay? So this one's going to be a little bit different. What's my x? -3, okay? So 0.5 times -3, well, that's 1.5, -1.5, okay? What's the y value when x equals -1.5? Well, I don't have it. Skip it. The next one, -5, okay? So x is -5. So -5 times 0.5. So half of -5 was -2.5. -2.5. Take away 1. So what's the y value when x is equal to -2.5? Do I have it? I don't have it either. You can go ahead and kind of guess with the graph, but I'm not going to bother right now. I just kind of want to give you guys a nice, quick method, okay? So I'll just keep going. 0.5 times x. X is my 0. So 0.5 times x is 0. So we have f of 0. Take away 1. What is the y value when x is 0? When x is 0, the y value is 2. 2 take away 1 is 1. Okay? So that means the new point for this guy, okay, what did I plug in? 0. So it'll be 0, comma 1. Okay? The next one, x is 2. What's half of 2? Half of 2 is 1. So we're going to have f of 1 minus 1. Well, what's f of 1? Do I have it? I don't have it either, but I probably can check by the graph. When x is 1, what's the y value? Maybe about 1.5 or so. Okay? And then you would go on and do that. But the easiest thing to do, make a table, use the function, the transformation, and then graph your new points. Okay? With this one, this is a little bit different. This is your x. This is your x. Make sure you use your original, plug it in. Okay, this is different. What's the y value when x equals negative 1.5? You might have to use the graph to kind of guesstimate, but then that's how you would get your new set of points. All right, guys, hopefully that helped you guys out.